What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.
So today we're coming to the coffee shop per usual on our weekend adventures. Just finished with the gym, and then we've got a couple things to do. We're going to be, we need to go grocery shopping, I think. Show you a little thing we check out every time we go to the grocery store. Kind of little something we've always done, but we've never really shared with people, so I'm going to share with you what we do every time we go to the grocery store. And then I'm going to be making something I've never made before, fruit pies. So I'm pretty stoked about that, pretty excited about that. And yeah, I hope it turns out, and you'll find out what that is. It's quite large, so hope I don't mess it up. But yeah, we'll get into that, and I'll show you how I idea or whatever, just a little snippet of that, and then yeah, just kind of take you along our weekend, and this is kind of be a weekend of workouts. I'll do like probably share like 2 workouts in this video, and just kind of take you along with our weekend, and yeah, just hang out with you. Yeah. Okay, so finished up with the coffee shop, got some stuff done, and then we were able to make a phone call or a video call to some family on the other side of the states, and it was really nice. Good to talk to them and good to get some work done in our favorite place, of course. Just love the coffee shop. But yeah, now we are headed to run a couple of errands. I think maybe go to a grocery store, like I said before. And if I get anything, if I pick up anything good, I will be sure to show you, tell you. But yeah, if you can't tell, I'm all bundled up. This morning it was 4 degrees, and I think it's gotten up like 16 now, or 14, whatever it is. But really cold. I don't love it. It's not in the negatives, so that's good. But we don't live in a place that has those negatives usually, so this is cold for us. But yeah, we are going to head to a couple more places and then hopefully not freeze out there. But yeah, show you the next part. Okay guys, correction, it's 12 degrees, or maybe it dropped, I don't know. But we have stopped at the store to get some stuff shipped off, and I think there's a hiccup. My husband ran into a hiccup, so waiting in the car. I thought I'd just chat with you. I was just thinking, I don't quite have a recipe nailed down for what I'm cooking, so I'm just gonna chat with you and see what you'll say about it. But I'm making a full chicken, basically, so a whole full chicken. And I've been bugging my husband about it. Like, I really want to make one. I really want to see if I can make it good, and you know, not put a bunch of junk on it to make it taste good. And so that's what we're trying tonight. I looked a little bit at recipes, and roughly it's gonna take about an hour and a half. And the only thing I'm, thinking about that I'm, kind of concerned for is I don't have a meat thermometer, or I do have a meat thermometer. Ours just doesn't work, so I basically might as well just say I don't have a meat thermometer. How could we not have a meat thermometer with all the meat we eat? Yep, I know, it's quite the predicament. But that's what I'm making, and I don't know if I'm gonna add anything to it. Like, I need to get anything from the grocery store for it, so we'll see if it turns out. We'll hope and pray. Just turns out lovely, and that no food is wasted. But yeah, so that's what I'm thinking about over here. I don't want us to sit down and like it be raw, or us sit down and it's just super dry, and I just hate dry chicken. That's a lot of chicken to have that's dry, so just let's hope it turns out good. And if it does, I will share what I did with it to you. So, well, I'm gonna stop yapping. Alright, I haven't mentioned yet to you guys, but this is one of the things we do when we come to a grocery store. We always stop by at this section, looking at sports cards. We look at like the Lorcana, some Pokemon stuff. So now you know a little bit more about us. Alright, anyway, moving on.
A little bit more than half a pound of the halibut.
Okay, so this is what we got from our trip to Fred Meyer. We got some organic bananas. We'll let them ripen a little bit. And then we got a cucumber, good old cuke. And then, let's see, what is this? This like salmon spread. It's like very cheap. And then we got some halibut, I believe, yeah. Halibut that was 50% off. Can't see, but yep, so excited about that. And that is our little grocery pickup, nothing crazy. Okay, I obviously just showed you our grocery haul pickup. So we made it home, and just as we were getting home, it started to snow and get colder and stuff, so glad we made it home in perfect timing. But yeah, now we are so hungry. We are actually not gonna do what I was telling you I was going to do, that I'm gonna make that for tomorrow. The chicken will have to wait. That's just gonna take too long, and we are so hungry. We've been out of the house all day, so we need something a little bit quicker tonight. So stay tuned for that. We will get the chicken cooking tomorrow after church. So all right guys, that is it for tonight. I will hop on tomorrow, but I'm gonna enjoy our evening, have some dinner, hang out with my husband, and see you tomorrow after church. Bye. Hello guys, good morning. Happy Sunday. We are finally doing that chicken, so I'm gonna just kind of show you just a little sneak peek on what I do to it, and yeah, and how it turns out and how I'm cooking it and whatnot. So I will flip the camera around and show you. Okay, so I put it on a cast iron, and then I have just like a little rack underneath it, and then I cleaned the chicken, rinsed it, and then I buttered it. I melted some butter and tallow. So I melted the butter in some of our, the tallow in some of our butter in the microwave, and then I put a little bit of the salt in there as well. And then after I kind of distributed it all over the chicken, I put a little bit more of that coarse salt on top, and then I'm going to flip it around and get some salt all around and all in the places. And then I'm also putting in some bone broth, and then I will put in some water as well. So when it cooks down, we'll have a little bit of some juices to keep pouring over the chicken. And I'm going to be cooking it at 375, and we're going to do that for an hour and a half. Okay, so I'm going to get this started because we are hungry. Okay, we are almost ready to take out the chicken. I ended up doing 120 total. Well, by the time I take it out in 4 minutes now, it'll be 120. But I ended up starting it at 375, and then about 20 to 30 minutes in, I think, I ramped it up to 425. 375 first, then 425. I feel like I said the wrong number first time. I don't know. But then I brought it back down when it was 20 minutes out. I brought it back down to 375. So 375, 425, 375 is what I did. And I don't know, it looked nice and golden when I looked at it at the 20-minute mark. So I hope it turns out well. But I'm going to get ready to pull it out of the oven and let it rest for a couple minutes, and then I will carve into it. It's done, hopefully, right? Ooh, look at that big old bird. Ooh, it looks so nice and golden. That's awesome. It's got like so many juices. Looks crispy. I'm so excited. Okay. Okay, and now we wait a sec, and then we will cut into it, and I will let you know how dinner goes, if it's yummy or not, and if it's worth trying yourself. Okay guys, so we finished dinner. Sorry I didn't show you. We were just too hungry. We waited all day. Seems to be a theme for us, but it was really good. It was really juicy actually. My husband did say on the very like first cut of the breast was on the drier side, but everything else was really, really juicy, so I will take it for never baking that before. I'm really glad that we did, and we have quite a bit left over. We ate a lot, but once I started carving it and really digging everything out, we actually have a lot left over, so that's gonna be nice for the week, or for a day or two. And then I did save the chicken carcass and try to convince my husband to try to do a bone broth with it, so we will see. Hey guys, so I didn't record a ending for this video, so here it is. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you enjoyed the adventure of making the chicken with me. Yeah, well, have a good rest of your day or night, whatever it is for you. Thanks for watching.